We are pleased to show you the 2013 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, braking assist, power sunroof, leather upholstery, heated seats, keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.